continues to pay tribute to New York City culture through footwear, blending the city's iconic grit with fashion. Symbols like Yankee fitted caps, pizza slices, and wheat Timberlands have long embodied NYC style, and Nike draws on this influence by reintroducing earthy Flax tones on its classics. Over the years, the Air Jordan 1 and Air Force 1 have worn this autumn-ready colorway, reflecting the city's signature look. The latest release pushes this homage further with the Nike Air Force 1 Mid NYC, featuring bold branding across the heel, collar strap, and insoles. This design makes it clear that New York directly inspired the shoe, ensuring the aesthetic's roots remain visible. While Nike has yet to confirm an official launch date, sneaker fans can anticipate the pair's arrival during the fall or winter 2025 season, solidifying the city's cultural imprint on global streetwear once again.